Welcome to the Wurlitzer Factory Complex, historic place, North Tonawanda, New York, and the Monday night classic car show. And this is the one you need to go to if you really like your cars and even other stuff. Give you a quick overview here because it's well worth seeing in Western New York. How many of these beauties can you pick out? Feel free to pause at any time to get a good look. Good news today on Memorial Day 2022. God bless our veterans, the fallen, all our service personnel, and our allies around the world for their service and their sacrifice so that we could live free and show off these lovelies at the same time. The historic central tower of the Wurlitzer Jukebox and Music Device Factory with Platters Chocolate and other great businesses in there. Fantastic. that doll could talk. On the other hand, maybe I wouldn't want that doll to talk. Otherwise, it's the Magic movie all over again.
Willie's.
All around town, it was well understood that I was knocking them out like Johnny. I made them 5 years. Objects showing off. Number one.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I could practice all day and up into the night. My papa's hair was turning white, 'cause he didn't like rock and roll. He said, "You can stay, boy."
You look like you need to.
Hosted by these good people.
Hey, just didn't dig it. So I took my guitar, picks and all, bid farewell to my old ball. Split from Memphis, where they say
Classy and classy some more.
Session. Conflicts and all. They dig it. I rocked in the bottom and I was getting the brakes. The girls all said that I had what it takes. When up stepped the man,
The Piston Brook
organization.
organization
Come here, cat. I'm gonna make you a star.
hosts this every year to worldwide acclaim by now. A bit.
Sign here.
Classic Pierce Arrow, made here in Buffalo.
Became a star, having a ball with my guitar. Driving a big long Cadillac, fighting the girls off in the back. He discovered coming, screaming. Yeah, they like it. So I pick my guitar with a great big grin and the money to skip on over them. But then one day my Uncle Sam, he said, "Yeah, I am. Uncle Sam needs you, boy.
You know me.
Take it right, kid. Give me that, give it up.
Don't forget to check out my other videos on this channel. I got a few automotive videos here. By all means, check those out too.
It wouldn't be that expensive. And it's just hard to run.
'60 Buick here. very sweet Bel Air. As you can tell, it basically goes on and on. Another Bel Air. And a Ford. And these are more my favorites over here. This one here, for example. '69 Dodge. And these outstanding bits from my favorite time. The late 60s, early 70s models. General Lee era, if you will. Dukes of Hazzard. I grew up with that, of course. I'm actually a ship person, but I love mid-century to 60s, 70s cars. Not an expert by any means, but I do like looking at them and I like putting my characters in them. 3 of them, actually. And they're still coming in. You can have this vehicle if you like. Call that number if you like what you see. Just saying. As long as you're a good mommy or a good daddy.
Can't park there.
She'll be happy. We'll round out everything with these guys. Special thanks to the Piston Broke Club for this wonderful show. Right on the grounds of the Wurlitzer Park. On this Veterans Day, or Memorial Day, thank you to all our veterans and all our service people, absent friends,